program. I just want to welcome everyone and thank you for supporting Orange Magazine. 14 years, hindi siya ganun kadali. And kahit maraming ano dyan. Ito na nga, dyan, sabi ko. Hindi, walang magraran today. So, I just want to welcome everyone. I just want to thank everyone na nag-support, hindi bumitaw. And dahil kayo yung chosen few, so let's enjoy the event with music from DKTM and DK Talents and some prizes from our good sponsors. Just want to welcome you. Let me introduce to you DKTM.
When I'm about to give up, you're on the side when no one seems to listen. If you go, you know that things can tell but slow. You break his heart and tear it apart, and suddenly the memory starts. Your smile, your face, your lips that are missed, the sweet little lies that stare at me and make me sad. I made it through all the way, cause it's a you who fills the emptiness in me. You chase everything you see, and you know I've got you. With me.
The same as her sister. Kaylee, on the other hand, was a member of the Mini Pop Kids. It's like, ano ba yun, Kaylee? Like a young group of kids performing pop songs. They've got tons of views on YouTube and also on Spotify. And also she was part of a show, 13 the Musical, available on Netflix. She was also there. She sang the finale song. So talented students that we have. Thank you. Thank you.
Able to develop my artistry and how I perform and how I can connect with the audience. Basically know him for half of my life. He grew up a lot. And a lot of people know this, but he's actually an amazing person. Like, yes, he's not. I'm joking. But yeah, he really teaches like his students like the technicality of singing, and that's what I appreciate the most about you. So yeah, I'm a little sick, so I hope I don't cough while I'm singing. Okay. Sampulan ng diksyonaryo ang tugmay di basto. Basta't isipin di mababago damdamin ko sa'yo. Walang gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Walang gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Pag-ibig ko, umaasa ng puso mo, pagkasakali bang ito'y magbago. Narito lang ako, kasama mo buong buhay mo, ang kulang na lang mahalin mo rin akong lubusan. Kung ako lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-isa. Kung ako lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa, di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Kung ako na lang sana. And just a lot of nostalgia as well.
Not PH, pero I'm gonna talk to Gemma and invite you guys to like watch the show. Sana free kayo. That'll be fantastic to have you guys there. Please be there. Like sobrang matutuwa kami to see you guys there. Kasi syempre supporting Gemma, but at the same time we want to give you a good show naman. So.
Hi sir, happy anniversary. Thank you sa lahat.
Happy anniversary to Sir Gemma. We love you. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary! Thank you sa lahat, sir! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary, sir! Thank you!
Happy anniversary! Thank you very much! Dalian mo! Message ka! Pinakamadami kang nakuha.
Thank you so much, Gemma! Thank you so much! Thank you so much!
Thank you so much!
Hello! Congratulations on your 14th birthday, Gemma and Orange.
Mamaya na.
Congratulations, Gemma. Happy 14th and going 15!
Hi Gemma, congratulations for your 14th vlog anniversary. Nasubaybayan ko yung iyong talambuhay bago ka pumasok sa vlogging, and I'm very happy na narating mo yung mga pangarap mo. Kaya congratulations. Congrats. See you sa 15th anniversary. Si Gemma Villanueva.
Gemma, happy 14th anniversary. I've known you for like a long time and I'm happy na we are together in and hope another 14 years to come. Thank you, Sir Gemma, at sa Team Orange. Hindi biro yung 14 years. So, alam ko rin yung hirap dahil syempre, sama-sama tayo, media vlogger. But again, congrats. More blessings at more partnership with the brand. So, God bless and thank you.
Oo, kailangan ko yun.
German, kulang yung nakuha ko. Congratulations, German. 14 years. Maklase, klabe.
Hi Gemma! Happy 14th anniversary sa Orange Magazine. Bata pa lang ako, follower na ako ng vlog mo. 4 years to come. Hi Gemma! Happy 14th anniversary. Sana smile na mukha ka kasi masungit. Bait-baitan, tumatanda na tayo. So love lang ha. Lagi umainit ang ulo. Mabuhay ka pa. Gusto na.
Anniversary Gemma, more power, more blessing, and more years to come.
Oo, dali ako.
Maraming salamat. Doon dapat. Ayusin mo.
Ayan na.
Riley, may message mo.
Message mo kay Gemma.
Sana ma-invite din kami sa 15th anniversary. Maraming salamat, Gemma. Amazing na yun lang.
Hi, Gemma! And sa team ng Orange Magazine, congratulations sa inyo. Sana tumagal pa kayo ng mga 238 years pa. Kaya, ayun, then, congratulations, hindi biro yung 14 years. So, happy ako na friends ko kayo, especially si Gemma. It's a privilege, and you deserve all the success that you have at the moment. And we'll get pa, diba?
Si Ivana?
Hi, Gemma. Happy anniversary. Sorry, super late. But you know, ang effort namin with you. And uy, happy anniversary.
Next year dapat kami, sabi ko 9 o'clock. Sabi 9 o'clock.
Orange Magazine.
Emang, congrats at more power.
Power down! I deserve all the success. Video. Video.
Oh.